Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be talking about Tradingview. This is the trading platform that I actually use to mark up my charts, and then I take the actual trades on MT4, and this is what we advise that you use as well. It's actually it's from Tradingview.com, and it's actually got a free section to it. So I'm going to go into all of that in a second, but firstly, if you're new to the channel, I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you are enjoying my stuff, then please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on the stuff that I put out quite regularly. So make sure you don't miss out on that and just hit that subscribe button below. Okay, so let's get started. So this is Tradingview. This is the actual platform here that we're looking at. It's a I really like this platform. It's a really good platform. And when I joined the group, the trading group that I'm actually in, they advised me to get this and to actually get it for free. You can actually get to use this for free. I'm going to show you this, and this is all free, and you can also upgrade to the professional plan, and I'll tell you the benefits of doing that as well. But let's go through all of this as well. So you can see this is what you get. You can see it's really in depth. You've got ideas, you've got a community, you've got like screeners, you've got markets. So say for example, I don't trade the crypto. Say these currency markets here, and look at the majors here, for example. So here you can go to all these different trades, so these different charts, and say for example we're going to look at USD JPY. So it loads up USD JPY, it shows you the chart, it gives you their technical prediction, so it's kind of more buy, they're kind of leaning towards more buy, and then it gives you ideas, other people's ideas, some of the authors that are writing about it, the news related to the USD JPY, and this is for all the currency pairs. And then if you want people's ideas, I like to come here sometimes if I'm looking at the USD JPY, for example. I like to come and see what other people are thinking. Usually to do the opposite, because they say observe the masses and do the opposite. So I come and have a look what other people are thinking. Here we've got someone giving a short idea here. Here someone's giving a buy, so it's a bit mixed. Sometimes you get everybody saying long, or short. And that's the time when I'm going to the charts and looking for the opposite of what people are going for. But here it seems mixed. This one's short. This one's just giving an idea. This one's another short as well. And just look at this sometimes. Like this is what I see sometimes. Look at this chart here. I mean, I can barely see the price here. It's just really messy. This is why we teach in the group that I'm going to give you access to in a minute. We teach clean trading, clean charts, maybe one or two indicators on there, but not all of this. You can barely see the price action here, and I mean, look at this. I can't even tell you which way this is going. This is just so messy, and he's saying a potential short, but how he sees this price, he or she sees this price, I couldn't tell you. But anyway, I digress a little bit. So this is the ideas you can get from this as well. This is and the charts you can go to here. So say like I want to go to the chart, so I click on there, and I'll show you the benefits of seeing the charts on this platform. So it goes to the last chart you were looking at. This is the last chart I took a trade on, and I'll show you the trade I took as well in a little bit. But I just want to show you, the different things you can do with the platform. So say like you want to look at another chart, you can either go here, and it brings them all up. You can just type it in here what you want. Or you can just type it straight onto the chart. So USD, say JPY. You see it's here. You can click on that. That will take you to the USD JPY. Different time frames. You got the 4 hour. You got all of them. 4 hour, the monthly, the 2 hour, the 45. Or again, you can just type it onto the chart. So say like I just typed 30. Just a 30-minute. Enter, and it will take me to the 30-minute chart. Which is really great. And then all these other stuff, you can use the indicators are all there, the financials, the templates, and I'm going to show you about this replay function in a bit. Then you've got all these indicators here that you can use. This is a type of pointer, the cross or the dot. This, you've got trend lines, you can draw info lines, horizontal rays, extended lines, parallel channels. I'll show you how I'm going to use some of these in a second. All this stuff as well, Fibonacci, so you want to use a fib. Use a Fibonacci, draw it straight onto the chart like that. You can do all that sort of stuff. Here you can use a highlighter. rectangle boxes, everything you want here. Text, if you want to write on your chart, price labels, balloons, different patterns again. This is Elliott wave charts and stuff like that. Here we have a long short position. I'll show you one of those in a minute. That's really helpful. That shows you your actual trade, your risk to reward and stuff like that. Here we got all this symbols you can put on your charts, you know, just to make it easier. Here we have a measuring tool as well, and here we have something you can magnify. So let me play about with it a little bit, and I'll show you how I use some of this for the last trade that I done. I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart. This is why I took the trade on. Oh, let me take this off actually. All right. This is where I took the trade on. Oh, actually, it's already on there. Let me just take all this off. I'm going to draw it for you. So this is where I took the trade. And this is another feature I want to show you. This is amazing, this one. A replay feature. So imagine you're back testing and you want to see what potentially could have happened in the past and, you know, how you would have played it. So say like this was the trade I took. Yeah, so you go into replay mode and come to there. And I'll show you exactly what I was thinking. So here it was making a kind of a bit of a channel, equal highs and looking like equal lows. I'm going to draw that channel out. So let's just check these tools out. They're just really great. That's why I really love this platform. Here's a parallel channel just there. I draw it down to about, it was there, I was looking at it there, right there. Yep. So now I can actually go on and play this as if it was happened. This happened, I think it was Wednesday. So this happened 3 o'clock on a Wednesday, yeah? And now I can sort of look at it as if it was happening in real time. So you press here to play and it starts to print the chart, the candles there. And this is what actually happened, you know? I'm going to magnify this so we can see this easier. There. So that was the equal highs that I saw. It popped out. And that's one of the kind of strategies that we teach you. We teach you a couple of strategies in this group that I'm going to give you access to if you want. And so it popped out and it hit what we call a point of interest. Again, I'm not going to go too much into that because I want to talk to you about TradingView. So then, again, this is what happened. It came down, so we're just waiting here. And then when it broke out at the bottom as well now, then I thought, right, yeah, this is a trade for me. I'm going to go into this short position tool, the one I was just telling you about. That's where the entry would have been. My stop loss was there. And I was going for a 1 to 5. 1 to 5. About there. So you see this here? That's telling you the 5. So one I was risking that much for 5 times the amount. You know? So now we just waited and saw what happened. Came back up. That candle there got me in. This one wicked me up and got me in. And then it turned to about 20 minutes later. There you go, 1 to 5, 10% of my account. But more than that, I was just showing you the tools, do you know? And this is a replay tool that you can use for back testing to see if these patterns that you're looking, whatever patterns you're looking at, are playing out. It's an amazing feature, and then you can just let it run, you know. But that's that. So that's the end of that. I confirm that, and I come out of that. As well as that, what other things do I want to show you? Let's take this off now so I can just go back to normal chart. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go back to the 4 hour. So you can also put lines on. You can put alerts as a free. If you join this for free, you can put 1 alert on. Yeah. If you get the pro, you can put 20 alerts on. If you get the free version, there will be ads that pop up quite regularly and ideas from other traders and all that keep popping up. That's one of the reasons I went pro. After using it for a while, I thought I really like this platform. Why am I going to be irritated by this pro? And why am I only going to have 1 alert? I want to use all the features, so I went pro. But you don't have to if that's not for you. You can. This is completely free version I'm showing you here. All right. So say like I see a point on the chart, and I think just here, for example, let's draw a horizontal line. So let's go to this. Just play about with this. So draw a horizontal line. Say we just drew it here, for example, and I want to put an alert on it. So all I do is I come here, I right click, add alert on the horizontal line. So now when the price comes up to it, it's going to make a little noise. I could write something on here, potential sale, for example. And I'll create that. So now when price comes back up to there and hits this, it's going to make a little noise. It will make a little ding-a-ling-a-ling, and it will let me know on my chart that, you know, there's something to look at. And then that message I just put on there, potential sell, I can come and analyze the chart. You can also get it to do it on your phone as an SMS, and you can also get it to send you an email. Yeah, so you don't have to sit and watch charts. That's the beauty of this. When you get your alerts on your phone or your email, you can then come to the chart and say, okay, what was the alert about? You know, you can take that off. Just right click here, edit, and I delete that. Yes, I can also delete the line. Right click, I could remove the line. Yeah, or just say I want to do an alert anyway. Say I want to do it here. I right click on that point there, and it just says add alert, and then I could add it right there. Yeah, so there's different ways to put it on. So I hope you can see the features of this. I mean, the benefits of this. This is just amazing. I mean, like I really liked it. You can also send pictures. Say like we're trading together, and you say to me, what do you think of this? You can go here. It will send an image. That's the image, the URL or the website address for the image. You copy that and you can send that to someone so they can actually look at your chart, look at your ideas. And we advise that you do that with the leaders and with me as well. If you want, you can just send me a picture and say to me, what do you think of this idea? Do you know, so I can come and have a look at it. Yeah. And then all these things here, we got the watch. If you can put a watch list of the ones you trade the most. This is the alerts, news, data windows, hotspots, hot lists, other ideas and stuff like that. Yeah. And this is all for free, you know, but I'll tell you the actual price if you want to upgrade. Upgrading ranges for, this is the yearly price, but it ranges from 0, like I just said, for free, up to about $59.95 per month if you want to do the monthly every month. Yeah, but I advise if you like it, I would pay for the year because you make a saving if you pay more for the year. For the Pro version, the one I've got is $155. And if you do 100%, you actually save $24 a year from paying monthly. If you want to go for the Pro Plus, it's $299, and you save $60. And if you want to go for the Premium, it's $599, and you save $120 a year. And you know, you just see all the benefits. You get more charts, you get more alerts, you just get to use it a lot more. The Premium, I would say, is if you're using loads of charts, or you want to use it on different computers and stuff like that, then go for the Premium. I'll show you just some of the things, the benefits of going Pro. For me, the free one is you get ads. You get people getting you ads. They're going to flash you ads up telling you about the Pro. You're going to flash ads up about people's ideas and things like that. And for me, it was just distracting. I was trying to trade and I kept getting these ads popping up. But you can just delete them and turn them off. You can, when they come up, you X them out, and then that's it. You can just continue trading. But then, you know, I don't know, whatever it is, 10 minutes later, they're going to pop up again. The Pro version, you don't get that. Yeah, which is one of the main reasons I went Pro as well. It shows you all the different types of charts and tabs. And the other benefit, I think, to going Pro is the alerts. Those alerts, those alarms I've just showed you. On the free version, you only get 1. On the Pro, you get 20. Yeah, and if you get any higher, 50 if you need more. Premium, which is what most of the top traders that I trade with are on Premium. And that's probably where I'm going to get to very soon. You get 400 alerts, you know, so you can always put the alerts on to say, like, you know, go and have a look at your charts, go and see what's happening. You don't have to sit on charts, you know, and then all the other benefits you get as well. All right, so, you know, that's my review of this. I hope that was helpful. I hope you see the benefits of this. If you do want to join it, you can use my link. I'm going to leave my link below here, and we can actually both, you and your friends, it says, all get up to $30 each after they upgrade to the paid plan. So if you are going to upgrade to the paid plan and you want to do it via my link, which I would appreciate, then we both get $30. You know, you'll get $30 off the price, which is, what's that, $155. You take $30 off. You'll get that if you join via my link here. Do you know what I mean? And you'll also get your own link as well that you can refer people to. You know, so you know, I think for me it's a no-brainer. If you're into trading and you want to trade with us, this is the platform that we use, so you can follow along and do the exact same things that we do on this platform, then I would get this. And, you know, like I said, it's for free, but I would also say to you, upgrade, we'll make $30, And also, it will just help your trading. You can see when you make things very clear, you can put your charts, you can put your lines, you can put things on there. It just helps you, do you know? So I hope that helped. I hope that helped. And if you do want to go forward with this, then I'll leave a link below this. Also, if you want to trade with us, we have a group of traders, top 5, 6, 7-figure traders that are teaching you a strategy we call the banker strategy. Just 2 simple patterns. I showed you one of the patterns that we use and how, I don't know how long that was. What was that? 20 minutes, I think it was, half an hour. I'd made 10% on my trading account, you know, so we can show you how to do things like that. And we've actually got a free training. It's free for the whole week. 7-day free training. It starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a webinar. They'll be teaching and training you, you know, and you can also ask questions, and that's every single day. It'll show you exactly what we do, how we find the trades, how we get these sort of risk to rewards. I mean, that was 10% I made on my account on Wednesday, and that was enough for me. That was enough for the week for me. Do you know what I mean? So if you're interested and you want to get involved in that, then just send me a private message. Just DM me and just say interested, or it'll probably be somewhere on this page, if not below on the next post or something like that. All right. Once again, I hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed that. So yeah, that's it. Till next time, you take care, and I'll speak to you guys soon. All the best. Take care.